Well, got a bit of a problem. Got the old camera stand with phone holder. Let's see what this problem is. Look at all that gray. Dude, I'm getting old. Only on that side, though. Let's see. Can I get you guys locked in here? My flag broke. Weird. My flag broke, so I picked the eagle up and I shoved it in the siding. All right. Oh, Black Beauty. All right, we're going to go over to Gramps here. Gramps. My silver Silverado. All right, hold on. Ugh. It's gross. We're going to play I Spy, okay? Oh, I farted. Oh, there we go. You see my problem up there? Okay, besides all the rust. Leave the rust alone. I live in Michigan. Do you see what I see? Listen, you bees. You frickin' bees. You're over in my trailer with two nests. Two big nests in my trailer that I tried to attack with fire and... I mean, fire's the real ticket, you know. Kill it with fire. But in my truck that I want to work on? Come on. No. Just no. All right. I have a little update here for you. We'll walk around. We'll walk around, yeah. I don't even want to talk. Yeah. My chickens! What up, chickens? Hey, how's it going? Hi. Hi. Oh, hold on. Chicken cam. Hi, chickens. Chicken cam. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Chicken cam. Got one really pretty one in there. I need to refill their water. Chicken! There we go. And the old, the Ford back there. It's my chicken enclosure. Pretty sweet because all the posts were here. All the fencing was here. It was a little bit bigger, so I moved some of the fencing and the posts and the fencing in the back. Made it just a little bit smaller, and then that gave me enough wire to cover up here. And then we got this like heavy duty mesh tarp thingy majiggy here. And then I have my trusty old 550 all webbed in to cover up all the spots so that the chickens can't get out. See? Oh yeah. I got it tied all the way around, 550. I need a better door. And the ratchet straps are keeping those posts straight. But pretty soon I will do a door here. There's Midnight. Hello, Midnight. Old girl. Kind of sad sitting back there, but you know, it is what it is. Oh, look at that. You guys are straight now. Dude, I used 2 flippin' cans of Kill on Contact, then let it soak, and then today I made a torch, like old school medieval torch, wrapped some old t-shirt material around the end of a really long stick, dipped it in lantern oil, lit it on fire, and shoved it up in there to try and kill bees with fire, and they're still flying around. You guys are persistent, evil little buggers. And they're everywhere. They're everywhere this year. Paper nests all over, like big paper nests, not like the little dinky wasp nests. Big paper nests all over the place. It's getting kind of stupid. But hopefully I can get that one out, because that's really up in there underneath of that rear driver's side quarter panel, underneath of the Z71. Horrible place for a beehive. Great for them, horrible for me. I got stung in the frickin', where did I get stung at? In the shoulder by a bald-faced hornet. That was a lot of fun. Those suck. But I just thought I would give you guys a little bit of an update on the business that we got going on here, or I got going on here. I'm going to be doing a lure video here pretty soon. Ooh, lure video, yeah. It's going to be for a customer, really nice gentleman who special ordered some crazy lures. They're big jointed lures with a soft plastic tail, so that'll be interesting. Never had to dye soft plastic before, but we'll see how it goes. And yeah, we'll do that video for you, because that'll be fun just to hang out. Maybe we'll have to do it live or something. Take some little bits out here and there and actually do a video. But yeah, things are going good. We finally got some rain. My plot way over there that I seeded about a week ago, it got rain almost immediately, but it wasn't a whole lot. And then we had a really hot, dry week. But now the weekend is here and it looks like this. So hopefully the rain just keeps coming this weekend. Hopefully it does thunderstorm a little bit, give you a little bit of natural nitrogen for the soil, which will be awesome. Other than that, I think that's all I got for you. So this is Conquest Josh signing off. See you guys later. Real quick. I know I said goodbye. This is going to be what we call in this neighborhood the Ingalls goodbye. So, one more last little story. All right. Been painting a lot of lures. Been painting quite a few lures. If you have not checked out my lure page, make sure to go check that out. You can find it. It's Conquest Josh Lures. And it's on Facebook. I do everything off of Facebook. I do have an Instagram that's Conquest Josh Lures. And I believe somewhere on my YouTube channel page, I think I have the link for the Conquest Josh Lures. If not, it'll be down in the video description. Make sure to go check it out. I haven't uploaded a ton of stuff because everything that I've done lately was for me and for family. So I haven't done a whole ton of stuff as far as posting pictures, but make sure to go check it out. Conquest Josh Lures on Facebook. And if you're interested, send me a message. We'll work something out. I'm going to be doing, I haven't decided yet, either 3 or 4. I think maybe I'll do 4 or 5 lures to donate to the Ann Lynn Show giveaway. So I think it's the 28th Wednesday, or 28th or 27th. One of those. The Wednesday at the end of the month. It's 27th or 28th. Ann Lynn Show is doing a giveaway. So make sure to go over there. It'll be a lot of fun. I'm going to donate a handful of lures. So I'm going to be getting those done here too. So, yeah. If you want a chance to win some lures, go check out the Ann Lynn Show giveaway. All right. See you guys later. Much love. Stuffing things papow. Major, if you're watching. Salute, Major. Love you, brother. Everybody else, love you tons. See you later. Bye.